Here and today I'm going to be unboxing the MSI h97 Gaming 3 motherboard. So they give you this complimentary piece of paper to tell you what to do, and then there is also the motherboard, which is, from recollection, a full ATX. And then undoing this packaging here out of the protective bag, there is the board. It has got 4 RAM DIMMs, a PCIe slot for graphics, and then you've got your other components there. It's an Intel Socket 1150 with sound boost, and that is the back panel. Also included in the box is your back tray to attach it to the case. We've got 2 SATA cables, your driver's disc, and a 4-pin adapter. You've also got your MSI Gaming Series product, your bundle of stickers, an installing guide, and a user's guide. You also get this complimentary sticker from MSI and a door handle hook that says "I'm sorry, busy gaming," and "I'm not here." That's all for this video, but I'll be doing an install if you guys would like to see that.